It's gonna be egg hours for this video.
Hey, we're gonna start with how I made the ears. The first thing I did was pattern them with some scrap felt, mostly through trial and error to get the inner curve to sit on my ear right, and eyeballing the outer edge shape from screenshots. I then taped a piece of plastic wrap to my desk as a protective layer and traced my pattern onto it, I think with a white eyeliner pencil, and started filling in the pattern shapes with liquid latex. I did this in layers, letting each layer dry completely before pouring the next one on. Once I had built up a satisfactory amount of thickness, I set the surface with powder, peeled them off the plastic, and set the other side. The brown tips I colored with this matte liquid lipstick, which is the same color I use for her nose. They attach by folding over my ears, and I use spirit gum to glue the lobe part to my actual earlobe. And they tend to stay on really well like this.
Hi, welcome to Dobby's drag routine. Child doing finger painting. Like, yeah, let's use this wig cap because they usually stay on better. Apparently not. ordinarily I put spirit gum on the lace front and attach that, but sometimes it doesn't work very well because the way that I did this is kind of pulls it back, and it tends to come up off my forehead, and I can't be bothered right now, so...
Foolishness, I've got.
May I see the map, please? To muse and blabber about a treasure map in front of this particular crew demonstrates a level of ineptitude that borders on the imbecilic, and I mean that in a very caring way. And Doctor, again, with the greatest possible respect, zip your howling screamer.
Captain, I assure you,
Let me make this as monosyllabic as possible. I don't much care for this crew you hired.
See, here.
Doctor, I'd love to chat. Tea, cake, the whole shebang. But I have a ship to launch and you've got your outfit to buff up.
There we go.